In this video, we're going to take a look at 5 pieces of filmmaking equipment that we own that have definitely been worth the investment, starting with the big dome softbox. A dome softbox is best paired with a big powerful light, and around 10 years ago, we invested in an Aperture 120D along with the Aperture Light Dome softbox. For the last decade, it's come with us on pretty much every shoot, and it's even compact enough that we can stuff it into a suitcase and take it on our international productions as well. A big dome softbox can really elevate your lighting, particularly when you're lighting a single subject, by giving you a really flattering and focused source of light. And if we're being completely honest, in most interview settings, having one large soft source of light is really all you need to get a flattering looking interview frame. You can also check out our video here where we go into much greater depth looking at how you can use just one light on your productions to make the most visually interesting images possible. The second piece of equipment definitely worth the investment is a great shotgun mic. We all know that high quality sound is so important for video production. Lav mics are great, but there's something about the rich and deep tones that a shotgun mic captures that's great for both interview vocals and also just for general sound in your scenes. Now, newer models of shotgun mic definitely get better at important things like rejecting background noise, but a great shotgun mic in itself is an investment that's going to last you for many years. Number 3, a large external monitor. You can't underestimate the value of having a much larger external monitor to view the image you're filming compared to viewing it on the onboard camera monitor. Now, onboard camera monitors are great, but with the amount of text and information on there, it's easy to miss things like a shotgun mic creeping into frame or an unwanted background detail. So having a nice, large, clear image that you can view on a big external monitor really makes sure that you're capturing exactly what you want in frame. Now, having a technically correct image is only one piece of the puzzle when it comes to telling a great story through your film. And we've recently launched a filmmaking education community that breaks down the process we use in creating our films step by step, start to finish. If you want to learn more about that, head to the link in our bio. Number 4, good filters. If you're investing lots of money in your equipment and lots of time in your production, you're going to want to make sure that you're capturing the best quality image possible. Tiffin have been our brand of choice for a few years now. We use a wide range of creative filters from Tiffin, particularly the Pro Mists, when it comes to wanting to create a more flattering and filmic looking image on our digital cameras. And these filters are an investment that you'll buy once and you can use for a long period of time if you look after them. Number 5, a timecode system. We've made a whole separate video you can watch here which talks about the massive benefit of using a timecode system on your productions. But of all the equipment investments we've made, timecode has undoubtedly had the biggest impact on speeding up and improving our workflow. We use the Tentacle timecode system, which allows us to sync up all our cameras and audio recorders with a few clicks in post-production. Whether it be for filming our sports matches, for corporate interviews, or for long take multi-camera events, a timecode system means that we can back up our footage, sync it up with a few clicks, and it presents us with a perfectly synced timecode from all our days filming, and we can get straight into the edit. So there you have it, 5 pieces of filmmaking equipment that are most definitely worth the investment. If there's any you think we've missed, feel free to let us know in the comments below.